Welcome to Wattics. In this video, we will cover the features of the Sentinel Trends tab. The Sentinel Trends system is a machine learning module that recognizes patterns of energy consumption by using data from the past 30 days. This adaptive engine forecasts the expected energy of any given circuit for every day of the week. From these patterns, the system is able to give you a range of the expected load, shown in green. The black line represents the actual load. In any of these graphs, you can hover over a particular point to see the real values of consumption. As you can see here in the kitchen, the system has developed a green band of higher consumption during the day and lower consumption during the night. You can zoom in to focus on a smaller time frame by moving the sliders from left to right. Consecutive days can be compared by clicking at the top. On this particular day, it has detected abnormally high consumption outside of the green band and therefore appears as a notification on the graph. You can set up these notifications under the Notification Settings tab by adding a detector to alert you when there is irregular consumption, such as the one in the kitchen. These notifications will appear on your homepage dashboard or be sent to you via email or SMS. The Sentinel Trends tab is quite useful for someone who is managing many sites. Rather than manually checking that every circuit is operating properly, this system can automatically highlight abnormal events. Thank you for watching. Learn more about each of the tabs on the Wattics dashboard by watching our other instructional videos. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact us at support@wattics.com.